All right, here he comes. The best dancer of the four of us, if we're gonna be honest. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. The jacket's off.
It's a Hawaiian cat shirt.
Meow, 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 meow.
You look crazy, but in a way
Fun crazy.
that's
Yeah,
in a way that's
fun
we feel
eccentric.
sad for you.
Meow, 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 meow.
I mean, I'm telling you, this goes on in his house when no one's there.
Meow, 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 meow.
They want nothing to do
meow,
with it.
meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
You like that?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Dancing with him.
Meow, meow, meow. Be mama back on two.
I mean, come on.
I make a motion that we give it to him. He got her to dance.
Got to
with him.
dance. Good work, man. Good work.
The internet is full of videos of people embarrassing themselves. We just do it on a consistent basis.